Hello everyone. First of all, a warm welcome to CBS Institute YouTube channel. I'm Naveen Raj, Quantitative Reasoning faculty in CBS Institute. And today I'm going to discuss about the most imminent topic in data interpretation is table. And this session is completely available in English mode. And after this one, I'm going to upload the same table in a Telugu mode also. Okay. So let's get into topic. And today we're going to discuss about table topics. So first of all, what are the precautions we're going to do doing a table data interpretation? The first one, read the header carefully. So read the header carefully, and so what are the domains which indicate in a data table. So you need to understand each domain of the table, nothing but what columns, and you need to understand each column and each row of the table is very crucial part. So the given table are followed by four columns. First column, village. Second column, total villagers, and third column is total villagers who voted, and fourth column ratio of male and female who voted. So the whole description of the table indication some villagers, there are the four villagers PQRS are participated in election, and some are participated, some are not participated. So with the analytical of data table, so let us go for it. As the first village P having 6,000, only 90% voters are cast their votes, nothing but what 10% are didn't cast their votes. That is the thing we first need to understand from the table. And the who are participate in the elections are categorized into two categories. One is a male category and a female category. So nothing but what the 90% of people having, some are male, some are female categories. How can you count the male category with respect to of ratio values? Is it mentioned the remaining 10% of male and female nature? No, it didn't mention. So the rest 10% people are total may be male or total may be female, because it didn't mention specifically in a data table. So this is a basic fundamental you need to understand from the table. Okay, so most of the students are directly getting into question that leads to most confusion. And so once you read the table and understand the table, first you read all five questions, because some questions are basically three patterns. First pattern is individual questions, and second pattern is some questions are dependent, and third pattern is if and else case question. So if you read the question carefully, you analyze the question level and analyze the data level, so that create you get answer in just lesser time. Okay, so first of all, I read the five questions along with this one, and always attempt the easy question first. What are the easy question? If question followed by ratio, finding ratio, finding percentage, finding average, and finding individual value, or finding total value, this type of questions are a little bit of easy compared to other dependent questions. So, and second category, attempt if and else questions. So second, you prior to attempt if and else questions, and third priority dependent questions, so that able to all answer, you can answer easy question. Okay, so don't try to tick with the first difficulty question, because if you attempt a difficult question, it decreases your confidence and time level also. So I preferably mention always try with an easy question. Okay, so you already understand the basic of the data table, and let's get into first question. The total population of village Q and S together is approximately what percent of total village of R? The question is percentage and easy. Let's go for the second question. What is the ratio? So the second ratio is ratio based. This also very easy compared to first one. Males who voted village S, what percent population of village P who did not cast their votes? And this also very easy question. Okay, and last one, what is the total difference between males and who voted village Q and P also together? So all the five questions are very easy, because this is the previous year RB scale one memory based question. So I basically answer from the first to the last question. Okay, because first question is very easy. The total population of village Q and S together means what? Addition. So whatever you're going to do together, so what to do, you use addition. Okay, so Q and S is specifically mentioned Q and S. The total population, it mentioned total population, not casted and not casted. Total population of Q and S, Q and S. So the first one, you take the values as it is. So I remove two zeros. Before doing this question, I just remove the two zeros. Okay, for my easy calculation. Okay, so and R also, and all R also. I'm remove two zeros. Okay, here Q is 48 and S is 125. Together ratio. Okay, so total of R, specifically mention R is how much value it is? 150. Okay, 150. It's clear. So therefore this is a value. So the question is Q and dash upon R is 100. So how can you take this? I'm going to explain very clearly in the data interpretation basic chapter. It will available within short 2 to 3 days. So stay connected to the our channel to get a basic values. Okay, don't worry. So this is a value which is given in this. So already definitely this is above 100. So because R is already how much? 150. So this summing is above 100 as absolutely above 100. Therefore 150 into 100. Clear as it is. Now 150 means 25. If you subtract 25, how much value left here? What it is? 23. Okay, so 23. So just I'm assuming it is 53s are and 52s are. So 23 threes are how much? Already above 100 is take it is 23 twos are how much? 46. 46 upon 3. So 3 ones are 3 15s are. So 3 15s are. So approximately what's answer? 115% is the accurate answer of this question. Okay, don't add the total value and doing the answer is very complicated. Okay, so this numerator value already above 150, therefore this already occupied 100%. Is clear. Now how much above 100 it is value is a 15. Therefore so how much above 100, how much above 150? It is 23. So 23 upon 115 to 100, how much it is? 15%. The total summing is how much? 115%. Okay, is clear. So this is one way to answer any difficult question within a simple manner. Okay, so what I do here it is I just do it simple method. Okay, so total is how much? It is 150 is already given. Total 150. Is it above 150? Yes. How much above 150? 23 above 150. So I take 23. Percentage means what? How much percentage? 100. So already above 100 means what? You take it 100% as it is. So 52s are 53s are and 52s are. So 23 twos are how much? 46 by 3. So 15 threes are 45, approximately 115%. So this type of question you don't require to pen do a calculation on paper. You directly choose answer with simple assuming method it is. Okay, I hope you understood. So let's get into the second question of this one. Okay, so let's discuss about the next question of the data interpretation. So what is the ratio of female who voted in village Q and males who voted in villages? If the question is ratio, don't try to find exact value. So don't try to do calculation. Okay, you take it as a Q value. So what is the Q value? It is 4,800. Take as it is 4,800. Clear. And specifically mention other values. S is how much? 12,500. Take as it is. Put a ratio. Okay, ratio means what? Above. Okay, so here it is how much are casted? 60% are casted. How much are casted? 80% are casted. In this one specifically mentioned female is how much? 1 upon third. Here mentioned female 2 upon fifth. Okay, so with regarding to this one and with regarding to this one. Okay, now take two zeros off and take two zeros off. 23s are and 24s are, and this 3 and this 3 cancel, and 5 moment times it is 25 times. Now 48 is left. Here it is 25 fours are 100, 100 twos are 200. Now it is 8 6 are 48, 8 25 are. So your answer is 6 is to 25. So directly which option is the right answer? So first option is the right answer. So if you're trying to do the calculation, 4,800 60% means 60 by 100 and going to do 1/3. So don't time waste on examination. So you do multiply 3 ones are 320s and you multiply this number. It takes some time lagging. Okay, you directly do calculation in the question is name of ratio. Okay, so don't go for the exact value multiplication. It kill your time management. Okay, get my point? Let's get into the question of the data interpretation. So the total number of, here the question is very clearly mentioned, the total number of villagers who voted. Okay, so total number of villagers who voted in village P and Q are together is. So he specifically mentioned voted from P and R together. So P is how much it is? So 6,000. So P is how much? 6,000. Clear. How much are voted? 90% voted. Clear. And specifically R is specifically mentioned how much it is? 15,000. How much are voted? 50% are voted. They're asking total villages. So clearly if you wind about 10% means if you subtract 10% you get a 90%. 100% 6,000, 10% 600. So nothing but what is 90% is how much? 5,400. Okay, plus. Now 50% off of this number, that is nothing but what? 7,500. Clear? 7,500. Clear? 009, it is 12. So 12,900. So which option is the right answer? So 12,900 is on which option? Option B is the right answer. Okay, so 6,000 minus 10% gives 90%. Okay, so 90% is how much? 5,400. Total summing means 50%. 50% of 15,000 is 7,500. So the summing is 12,900 is the B. Option B is the right answer. Let us discuss about fourth question. Males who orchard in village, what the question it is? Males who voted village S is what percent? Specifically mentioned S. S is how much? 12,500 S. How S means who voted. Voted means how much? 80%. 80%, what is the fraction? 4/5. What is the fraction? 4/5. Specifically mentioned males. Males is how much? 2 upon 5. So 2 upon 5. Percentage means upon what percent? So it making question. Question always take a numerator and well-defined value take a denominator. So what percent of the question is population of village P. Village P population is almost 6,000. Take 6,000 as it is and 6,000 as it is. So who did not their vote? How much are voted? 90% voted. How much are not voted? 10%. 10% means how much? 1 by 10. Percentage means how much? 100. Clear it is. So 2 zeros and 2 zeros and 0 and zeros cancel. 5 5s are 25. 25 how many times it get? 5 times. And 2 how many times it get? 3 times. Now, so what is the value left to take it round off for easy multiplication? 5 4s are 20. 20 into 200 gives how much? 2,000 divided by 3. So 3 6 are 18, 3 6 are 18. So 6 6 triple 6, 2 by 3% is the right answer. Option B is the direct answer. Okay, so if the question is what percentage the value or the parameter always take a numerator. Okay, the parameter which is converted by what percentage always take it a numerator, and the well-defined value take it a denominator. Okay, so don't worry, for the beginners I'm going to take a very basic beginning classes, how to take numerator, how to take denominator in percentage. I'm detailedly explaining the basic classes. It will post in within short 2 to 3 days. Okay, the next question. What is the total sum of difference between males and females? Males and females who voted in village Q and P. So let us go for it as first of all Q. Q is how much? 4,800. Clear it as 4,800. Okay. Yeah. It says 4,800. So in 4,800 is how much are casted? 60%. 60% is nothing but in fraction. How much it is? 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Okay. So he specifically mentioned difference of males and females. Males and females. So the total how many parts? 3 parts. Totally there are 3 parts. So males are 2 parts, females are 1 part. What is the difference? 1 part plus. Next, and I go for P village. P village is how much? P is 6,000. Okay, take 6,000. How much are casted? 90%. 90% is how much fraction? So 90% is a fraction of 9 by 10. 9 by 10. So the total how many parts? 9 parts. Totally 9 parts. Totally 9 parts. 5 and 4 difference is 1 part. 9 9 0 zeros cancel. 3 3 cancel. So 5 how many times? 9 times and 6 times. 960. 960 plus it is 600. So 960 plus 1600 is gives how much? Okay, how much it is? 1560 is the right answer. So which option is the right answer? Option B is the right answer. So this is a process to do the question data interpretation table. And a small request for all beginners, don't worry, we're going to provide a very beginning basic data interpretation concepts and analytics in at least I'm going to post around 2 to 3 days. And Telugu medium students, I'm going to post this video in a Telugu version also. Thank you for watching. Naveen Raj.